Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. For those of you that don't know me, let me show you guys what I do. I keep their memory alive. So all these fallen flags like Seaboard, Atlantic Coastline, Santa Fe, Conrail, I keep their memories alive through my 600 plus videos of van and railroads, historic crossings and such. I also sell merchandise like this one to help me promote my channel and add to my traveling expenses so I can keep bringing you content like this. $13 plus shipping, $18 plus shipping. Guys, please enjoy the video. Leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. I look forward to reading your comments. Always a pleasure. Please enjoy. Talk to you soon. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist, who has the pleasure of bringing you today the old D-Land Amtrak station. So here it is. Check out that old, this seems to be like an old luggage cart. And over here, you have the tracks. You can see in the distance the signals and they're all red. So the train just passed. You can see that rail is pretty shiny, so it sees a lot of service. However, the one on the opposite side hasn't been used in ages, and they're actually removing it further east of here. So check out the architecture here. This is lovely. They don't make them like this anymore. You can still see the growth on the opposite rail over there. As I said, it's being removed further east. And then here you have a switch, and obviously if you follow the point, you can tell that this switch is lined to go straight. There's not making contact there. You can see the target as well. And then they take you to the grade crossing. So yeah, this is a pretty updated crossing. There isn't anything historic on it, but I'll show it to you guys anyways. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8 signals over here, and they're all Safe-Tran. You have a Siemens gate mechanism and the Siemens signal base. You have rails there as support for the railings. This is the old siding, which is no longer in use. Give you guys a little glance on that. Oh, a Modern Industries signal base. Sorry, Modern Industries relay case. And then you got the new one there. Check it out. Locked. Usually switches on the main line are locked. You have a discarded switch stand right there. Yeah, it's a pretty nice area, ladies and gents. So if you guys are ever around this way, I recommend you can come over here and take a look. It'll be worth your while. It feels like I'm in like the late 1800s, early 1900s. This side is your old run-of-the-mill. Also, nothing notable on that crossing there. Your E-bell. Let's go take a look at it anyways. Siemens gate mechanism, sorry, Siemens signal base. Siemens gate mechanism. And your SafeTran LEDs. Rest in peace, old friend. All right, ladies and gents, always a pleasure. Take care. Please leave me a comment. Remember, I drop videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Take care. Bye-bye.